Care and attention. Multi-masking can be an effective and enjoyable way to care for your skin. Sheet masks have become increasingly popular in recent years for their ability to deeply hydrate and nourish skin. The rise of K-beauty focusing on multi-step skincare has magnified the effectiveness of sheet masks. With multiple types of sheet masks targeting different skin concerns, the trend of multi-masking or layering different sheet masks has gained traction. Multi-masking involves applying 2 or more masks sequentially to boost their benefits for skin. Each mask targets a specific skin concern, such as hyaluronic acid masks for hydration or collagen masks for firming. Applying multiple masks in layers allows the different active ingredients to penetrate skin at different levels for synergistic effects. The synergy makes multi-masking more effective than just using a single mask. When you use sheet masks containing different active ingredients, each layer delivers a unique benefit customized to your skin needs. For dry skin, layer a hydrating hyaluronic acid mask with a moisturizing sheet mask containing ceramides, glycerin or honey. For dull, tired skin, wear a brightening vitamin C mask followed by an enzymatic mask containing fruit enzymes to exfoliate and clarify the skin. For combination skin, start with a charcoal mask to detoxify oily areas followed by a soothing aloe or green tea mask for the dry parts. The key to effective multi-masking is applying each layer in the correct order. Start with a cleansing or enzyme mask to exfoliate it and remove impurities. This allows deeper penetration of the subsequent layers. Follow with a moisture barrier mask containing ceramides, hyaluronic acid or glycerin to hydrate and restore skin's moisture level. Then apply a brightening or firming mask containing active ingredients like vitamin C, peptides or collagen. Finish off with a calming or antioxidant mask containing green tea, aloe or centella. In each layer, leave the sheet mask on for at least 15 to 20 minutes for the active ingredients to do their job. The waiting time in between layers allows skin to absorb the benefits before applying the next mask. Continue with consecutive layers of masks for a targeted multi-masking regimen lasting from 45 minutes to over an hour for peak results. After removing all the masks, you will see immediate improvements in skin texture, tone and glow. The cumulative effects of the different active ingredients help address multiple skin concerns at once. On a cellular level, each layer opens skin pores to allow deeper penetration of the next mask for maximum absorption of nutrients. Your skin appears hydrated, brightened and visually plumper after a multi-masking treatment, primed for your nighttime moisturizer and serums. While effective, multi-masking is not for every day. Once or twice a week is sufficient to reap benefits without overstimulating your skin. Start with 2 masks and build up to 3 layers as your skin adjusts. Look for natural, organic masks with minimal fragrance and dye. Opt for biodegradable sheet masks to reduce waste.